Hi, and welcome to the Best Buy vlog. My name is Ray, and in this video I'll be reviewing the Instax Wide 400, a wide format instant analog camera from Fujifilm.
There are many instant cameras on the market, many of which I've already reviewed, but there's very few like the Fujifilm Instax Wide 400 instant camera. This is a wide frame instant analog camera, which means that it's all about capturing those major moments. Big groups of friends at a music festival, a huge, gorgeous landscape in somewhere that you've hiked or you've climbed to, those really big, full-bodied moments where you just want to be able to capture every single detail about what you're seeing. In the box of the Instax Wide 400, you'll find the camera body itself, along with a shoulder strap, close-up lens, camera angle adjustment accessory, instruction manual, and warranty information card. The Instax Wide line uses AA batteries instead of a rechargeable, and each camera body ships with 4, which is 1 charge. I have a full breakdown of this camera's technical specs in my full review at the Best Buy blog. It's linked in the description below, but here's the cool notes. It's a big upgrade from the 300, and it prints in about 90 seconds per slide on 62 by 99 millimeter film. It has a retractable lens with 2 focus ranges. Normal mode is 0.9 to 3 meters, landscape mode is 3 meters to beyond, and then you've got a little separate tool which you can click onto the front of the lens, and it's for helping users take things like selfies. It's a close-up lens, and on its side it has a little reflective bit so you know exactly what you're capturing. The camera body itself is 616 grams empty, and it's 1.62 by 9.5 by 12.3 centimeters. While other Instax camera models focus on things like portability or customization, this one focuses on ambiance. Fujifilm wants photographers to be using this extra wide, extra large field of view to capture more of the background, more of the context, more of just the general vibe. Compared to previous Instax Wide models, the biggest upgrades to the 400 are in its automatic exposure and flash control features, which I think is fantastic. Fujifilm updates this as much as possible in every single new camera iteration that they have, but for something that excels so much in dark environments like a party or a concert or something like a rave, those improvements are going to be really noticeable on a model like the 400. I really enjoy working with Fujifilm's wide format. It's great for capturing the entire atmosphere of your favorite spots, which I think makes it awesome for travel, as long as you can deal with the weight. With batteries and film, this camera is about 780 grams, which is pretty hefty, but the wide angle there's just something so satisfying about it. You can use it to take these wonderful little snapshots of all of your favorite spots while you're traveling. Imagine your favorite cafe in Paris, your favorite deli in New York, the library of your dreams, and then you've just got them all in your hands already. It's really, really wonderful. If you want to learn more about this product, I have a full review on the Best Buy blog. Again, it's linked below, and you can find this camera online and in stores at Best Buy. Thanks so much for watching.